What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. Have a look at where I am. I'm in a place called Billionaire's Bay. I mean, this place is so beautiful. I mean, it's a very tiny beach, but have a look at that. Everybody out doing the snorkeling, checking it out. I mean, it's a pretty small beach, but wow, what a beautiful spot. I'm gonna end up going out here, doing a bunch of snorkeling, having some fun, checking it out, but wow, absolutely a stunning spot to come and check out. And I mean, it's a beautiful location right here. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go out here, check out the reef, see what it's like, maybe find some fish. Let's have a look. I gotta say, pretty spectacular out here. Beautiful spot out here in the Mediterranean. $1 billion bay. Beautiful. And I mean, unbelievable. Guys, have a look at this spot. This is so cool. I'm gonna climb out here and check it out. I mean, I wonder how old this really is. Pretty cool. I mean, have a look at the door. You walk out. Really cool. Have a look out the window. Over that way is Cannes. And then, oh, look at this. Just walk out here. Fish all in the water. Colors of the turquoise water out here in the Mediterranean is something that's so spectacular. I mean, have a look at that. Look at the what? Look how clear that is out there. Look at the turquoise water. Wow. I'm gonna go up the stairs here and get the best view. Have a look at that. I mean, there's probably 120 boats out here right now. Some of the super yachts out here. Just look at the color of this water. How crystal clear that is. On one spectacular beach. Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm out here in the Mediterranean on a beautiful spot right here. I mean, thanks for watching.